Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually jumped to kucoin. I actually wanted to carry out a trade as usual, and I discovered that there is a new method here they are actually applying that is very, very tricky. That is not even making sense at all. So I actually want to bring this to your notice so that you people can as much be aware of this so that you will not waste your time. In as much as you people are my quality subscribers, I like you guys so much. I don't want you guys to regret subscribing to my channel. I don't want to put you guys into something that you regret later. I actually used kucoin for quite a while now, but what I discovered yesterday was another thing shocking, which I felt bad. I even regret promoting them on my channel. So yesterday I started a trade with 15,500 naira on Binance, which I bought from Binance, and I'm selling it to KuCoin here to actually sell and make my profit. Okay, can you see these two guys here? I can actually tell you that the price here is actually fake. Before, maybe when I was into this arbitrage, that was when one USDT was 1,800 and something naira. So that was when I actually do the arbitrage, and I have been making so much money because I actually bought the coin on Binance and keep for maybe for a long time. Then I now get into KuCoin and now sell it. I was thinking maybe the arbitrage is quite okay. That is why I quickly drop it on the channel for you guys to actually benefit from it. But when one USD is now dropping to 1,400 and something naira, I decided to, okay, out of yesterday it was 1,570 naira. I bought it and now come to KuCoin to sell it. I saw merchants with 1,900. I saw 1,800. I saw 1,620. So I go with the one of 1,620. What I discovered was that the RC has been refreshed. I now see the real price of the merchant, which was not quite okay. I decided to off the trade and wait for today if I will be able to see a good buyer and sell it. So to my unfortunately, I now come to this guy. See, let me just show you something so that you guys will not waste your time. I value you guys more than any other thing, so I don't actually want you guys to regret. So I now click on this guy, see what is going to show me. Once I click on it, okay, see, you can see. And now okay, if I want to sell to this guy, I started this trade with 15,500 naira yesterday. If I should sell to this guy, I will make 19,335 naira. So let me just include the amount here, 19,335 naira. You can see, okay, this guy is actually buying from 20,000 upwards, so I don't need to sell to him. Let me go to the same thing. But let me I'm coming, I will show you something. Okay, let's go with this guy that you are seeing here. You can see this guy now. Let me if um let me insert 19 19,344. You can see, if I should want to sell to this guy, see what they will show me. You can see the price here, but see what they will show me. Let me insert my password. Okay, can you see the notice? The ask price has been updated. Refresh the page before placing an order. And now refresh it, you will see the real price. You can see 1,200, of which if I should sell to this guy right now, I'm going to be on a loss. I'm going to lose money massively, so I'm not going to sell to that guy. So let me show you this one again. You see, like this guy now, if I should sell to this guy here, I will make if I should sell to this guy, I will make 18,861 naira. Let's see something. 18,861 naira. You see the same thing, you see up here. You can see the ask price has been updated. You see the same thing. I need to refresh and you will see the real price. You can see the real price is now 1,350, which is not quite okay. I don't like all these things. If you guys are not actually legit, you guys should not come here and be wasting people's time. Like, they just put on a fake price that will attract customers to their vendor, and after inserting your price they will now show you the real price. I'm not going to go for this guy. Instead, I would rather, if I don't see a good merchant, or if I don't wait for USDT to rise up again for me to be able to sell my USDT, I will not sell it. Rather, I will transfer it back to Binance and keep it there. Maybe I will now stake it. You can see, I actually do this video to show you guys that these people now, they are now turning this thing into scam. They are now using it to fake price. Once you click on it, you now see the real price, which is not the, it's a waste of time. It's waste of time. So right now I wouldn't advise you to buy, and I wouldn't advise you to buy any p2p transaction on kucoin right now, because merchants here, they are actually fake. They are actually fake with their price. So let me show you another thing. But actually, I need this money right now, so I think I will just go and find a merchant and sell it. Even if I would lose 500 naira or so, it's nothing. Actually, I wanted to do this to show you guys. I can risk my money to show you guys what is working and what is not working.